Opening a bank account in Portugal is a straightforward process, ideal for foreigners looking to settle or invest. First, ensure you have the essential documents: a valid passport, proof of address in Portugal, and a tax identification number, known as NIF. You can obtain the NIF at a local tax office, which is crucial for any financial transactions. Once you have these ready, choose a bank that suits your needs. Major banks like Millennium BCP, BPI, and Novo Banco offer services in English, catering to expats. Visit the bank in person, as many require face-to-face appointments. Prepare to fill out an account application form. The staff will guide you through this. After approval, you'll receive a debit card and can set up online banking for easy management. Be aware of fees associated with account maintenance and international transfers, which can vary by institution. Lastly, maintain a good relationship with your bank by regularly checking your statements and being proactive about any inquiries. This ensures smooth banking experiences while living in Portugal. Enjoy the benefits of banking in this beautiful country, including easy access to funds and local services.